Hello, everyone. This is Bo from Bo's Slow English. In today's episode, I'm going to interview my friend Kai Jones. And some of you may already know who he is. He is a big time basketball player, and he is new to YouTube. So please remember to go to his YouTube and click subscribe and watch all of his videos and like his stuff. And then, of course, for this video, click like, subscribe if we're not already friends. And I would like to introduce you to my friend Kai Jones. Hi, Kai.
Thank you for the introduction. What's going on, you guys? Kai Jones here, Bahamian NBA basketball player. Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you. So I recently learned from you that it's not Bahamian, it's Bahamian.
Bahamian, yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me a little bit about your language over there?
Well, we speak with a dialect. It's a bit of an accent, we have a couple words that are uniquely our own. So, yeah.
Can you give me an example?
So if you say somebody's carrying on bad, it could be in a good way or a bad way. Like, okay, like say somebody's having a good game, they're dunking on people, right? Like me, they say, "My Kai is carrying on bad." Like that's the way to say he's going hard, he's doing well. Like, you know what I mean? So like little things like that, and so that's the natural accent like that. Like, you know what I mean? So we have a couple words like "boy." "Boy" is like brother, friend, or and then just little phrases and a little accent. That's it.
I love when I get to hear you speak to your family on the phone and your accent really comes out.
Yeah, that's right. Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Growing up, did you speak Bahamian and English, or I guess Bahamian is just a dialect, is that right?
Yeah, Bahamian's just a dialect, but it was all English. But when you were in school, we were taught to do like presentations where you speak properly and not do too much with the dialect. Like you make sure that everybody in the United States could understand you too. But it's like it wasn't bad. You still had your accent. You just were pronouncing words properly. Like
And when did you come to the United States?
the first time I moved here was when I was 11 with my mom. She was going to FAU, Florida Atlantic University, and then me and my brother were just living with her. That's the first time I came. Then I came back to the Bahamas when I was going into 11th grade. I spent 11th grade in the Bahamas, trained there, played in some big camps over there, started getting noticed by the NBA. And then I went to my last 2 years of high school and prep school in Orlando and New Hampshire. Those are One is a city in Florida, like a county in Florida, Orlando, Florida, and then New Hampshire is a state in the northeast region of the United States. So it's like near Massachusetts and all that. So yeah, it was cool.
Thank you for that geography lesson, because
Yeah.
I think a lot of my subscribers probably don't know of New Hampshire. It is a very small state.
Yes.
And did you always know that you wanted to be a basketball player?
Yes, ma'am. I loved playing basketball when I was young, and I was running track as well. But yeah, basketball was what I ended up gravitating towards more. And then I went to college for it, then got drafted in the NBA.
So cool. So last season you played for the Mavericks, is that right?
Yes, ma'am. The LA Clippers as well. Before that, yes, ma'am.
What's your goal? What's your goal in like 5 years? Do you still want to play basketball?
Yes, ma'am. I want to play in the NBA. So today, I'm right now deciding where I'm gonna go next. But my goal is to continue to play in the NBA. What do you like to do outside of work?
Oh, no one's ever asked me a question on these interviews.
Yeah.
Outside of work, well, as you know, I like to grow my YouTube channel. And
That's nice.
yeah, my goal is to be able to help people, no matter what it is, and to teach people, pass on knowledge, and then also to be taught. I like to constantly learn. I challenge myself with my YouTube channel by trying to post at least one video a day. So I am trying very hard to do that.
That's good.
Yeah. So, what kind of videos are you posting right now on your YouTube?
Right now, you can see a lot of my basketball workout videos, my training, strength and conditioning videos, me and my girlfriend hanging out at the park, some dancing as well.
What kind of dancing?
I think I hit like a little shimmy on there a couple times. Like, yeah, something like.
Oh, you can show us. Go ahead.
Yeah, I just hit a little dance on there. I just be dancing, bro. Nothing crazy.
So what's going on in your closet? You have a lot of clothes here. Do you have them categorized a certain way?
Yeah, I got like my jackets, stuff like that, my jerseys, hoodies. Y'all, you want to see?
Yeah. Show us your cribs tour.
Yeah, low key. I got some kicks here.
Nice.
Got some J's. Yeah, some hoodies. These are my shoes.
Whoa. I love how color coordinated it is.
It is. You see all the pinks over there, orange. Nice closet. But yeah, I like this Amiri jacket that I
I
have.
like that. So I know Kai because he comes and gets facials.
Yeah.
And your skin is beautiful right now.
Thank you. Thank you. You too.
Do you have any trips coming up?
Yeah, I'm actually flying out tonight. I got I'm going to see my girlfriend in Charlotte. And then, yeah, that's the next trip I'm about to take.
What's
Yeah.
it like in Charlotte, North Carolina?
Nice vibe. I used to play there for the Hornets. Chill. It's got some cool buildings in the city, big buildings. The food is really good.
What's the weather like over there? Is it similar to Los Angeles?
No, it's not as sunny, but it's nice though. I like the breeze and like when I was last there, it was cool, it was like chill, bro. It was like the sun was out, but it wasn't too strong. Still had some clouds in the sky.
I miss the East Coast weather a lot.
East Coast is different. It's more moist than LA.
Yes, it's very humid over there. How does your skin do in humidity?
It does well. I mean, like when I went to Miami, my skin was looking good.
I'd love to know more about the Bahamian culture.
Yeah,
So, what's the food like there? What's the people like?
yeah, we eat like chicken, sheep tongue. We eat goat. We eat conch. Conch is like a shell from the bottom of the ocean. You go and you grab it, you get it out the shell, and it's like gooey. It's kind of like an oyster, but like a little tougher. Have you ever had an oyster, a raw oyster?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like that, but like a little tough.
What are the people like there?
Smart, hardworking, about the country, passionate about our country. A lot of people always talking about politics, stuff like that. So, yeah, and they like basketball. They love me there. I get a lot of love there. And yeah, just a positive group of people, though. Really, really hardworking, yeah.
When you go to the Bahamas, do you island hop to other countries?
I've never done that. Have you? Have you ever been to the Bahamas?
Never. Yeah,
I went to Mykonos this summer, though.
Oh, that's right. How was your trip?
Fantastic. Mykonos is really nice.
Would you go back to Greece?
It was lit.
So you said it was lit.
Yeah.
Can you explain what lit means?
It means exciting, on fire, fun. That's what it means.
I should start saying that. That was lit. What does your dream vacation look like?
Every day is vacation to me. Basketball, chilling, listening to music, working out, lifting weights is so fun to me. Like that's just what I love to do. And then bro, listen, my past year I lived in Los Angeles and I was in San Diego some days. San Diego is gorgeous, just saying. You play sports?
Oh, the second question I've ever received on my interviews.
I'm gonna ask you hella questions.
So the first sport I ever played was soccer. And now I just try to stay active at least 4 or 5 days a week. I work out. It would be a lot of fun to be a professional athlete. You get to just live your dream and you work out. I know some people don't like working out, but I think for me, working out brings a lot of positivity in my life.
Yeah, facts. Me too.
Yeah. Who is in the poster behind you?
That's me.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
And then, oh, both of
That's me in
them?
Argentina, and then that's me in the Bahamas. Both of those were some games I played in.
That's so cool.
That game I had 20. That game I had 16. I was balling in both games.
Wow. Who is your biggest inspiration in basketball?
Myself, I would say for sure, I inspire myself, and yeah, just seeing how far that I've come, and every time I watch my highlights, it inspires me to go harder.
That's a really excellent response. As you know, I am here to help people learn English, and I always like to ask people that I'm interviewing, what general coaching type of advice do you have for my subscribers who are struggling to learn English? Do you have anything general you can suggest?
Yeah, just take it one day at a time. Learn something new every day. Review what you already know, and try to find somebody who speaks English and start talking to them. You know what I'm saying? But take it easy on yourself. It's no rush to learn English. You know, really. It will depending on where you live. If you want to really come and live here in the United States, then you know, But just take your time. Take it one day at a time, but also enjoy where you're at too. That's what I would say.
That's very sound advice because I myself, as a language learner, I kind of give myself a hard time because I'll miss a day, I'll miss a week, and like I don't know what the rush is. So that's really great advice. Thank you for that. Is there a piece of advice that one of your mentors has given you that you carry with you throughout your day?
Mentors, I've had some great mentors, but one of my coaches, like he didn't believe in limits, so just working hard and not putting a limit on how many shots you can make in a row or how strong you can truly be in the weight room or how fast you can be on the track, how fast you can be in the game. Just we used to talk a lot about just breaking records and being the best. So yeah, just that mindset of no limit. That's a mindset that was taught to me when I was young.
That's awesome. You are so positive. When I think of you, Kai, I think of not only your height, but also your positivity, and you're always so joyful. So I appreciate that energy from you. And so your YouTube name is Kai Jones, right?
Yep. Yep.
Thank you so much for your time. And for all of my subscribers, please check out Kai's YouTube. Let's try to get him 60,000 new subscribers.
Ooh, that
Come
would be
on.
so amazing. That would be so big time.
Yeah, let's help him do that. And I hope everyone learned something here. I appreciate your time, and I'll see you in the next video.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you.